Hi everyone, I'm Amy from Southern California. By day I run a business that has nothing to do with crafting, but when the workday ends, I'm a hobby crafter and I can't wait to start creating. I'm passionate about creating handmade designs. Crafting is my creative outlet. I admit I'm obsessed with earrings, as you can see here, but I love customizing all kinds of things for friends and family. So for years I worked with a Cricut Maker, right here. And but I often felt like I was limited by what I can create. So I dreamed of owning a laser machine, knowing it would open up a world of possibilities for me. So last Christmas, my husband made that dream a reality and surprised me with a Glowforge Aura. Unfortunately, it didn't quite meet my expectations, so I had to return it. And that experience led me to dig deeper, researching different brands and models extensively, and I didn't want to be limited with the materials or size for my projects or settle. So I decided I needed a CO2 laser machine for more versatility, especially because I want to use gold mirror acrylic and transparent acrylics. So that's when I found xTool. After weeks of research and watching a ton of videos, I chose the xTool P2. And I'm so happy with that decision. The P2 scalability is fantastic. I've added components like the riser and the rotary attachment so I can engrave tumblers. I'll be getting the conveyor soon so that I can make long signs. My new favorite obsession is to make Stanley toppers out of acrylic and customize them like these, so they just come right out and slip right in, different styles. It's really fun. Anyways, so the P2 was intimidating at first, but it's actually very easy and super fast. So xTool software creative space is very user-friendly, doesn't require any additional software to learn. My husband also installed an exhaust fan that vents outside, so there's no fumes to worry about. Alexa, exhaust fans on. And there we go. Here's why I love the xTool P2. It's fast and easy to use. It cuts and engraves nearly any material in any size with clean edges. xTool has the best customer service that I've ever experienced in any industry. Hands down, the best support ever. What more can you ask for? If I had to choose all over again, xTool would be my #1 choice. I'm currently updating my Etsy shop to offer a variety of products, and the possibilities feel endless. Long term, I see myself turning this passion into something more, especially as I move towards retirement. There's nothing like making a special one-of-a-kind gift and seeing somebody's face light up. I'm going to make these glass markers for a gift for somebody. So these are going to be gold mirror acrylic hearts, and then the names are going to be engraved in there. But I'm going to reverse them because I'm going to do it on the back side of that acrylic. So the gold acrylic is reversed, and I put some clips down just to hold it down in case it moves for any reason. And then we're going to hit the blue start button. So this is how they came out. They're etched in the back, and then this is how it looks. Isn't that cool? I hope this video helps you find the perfect laser machine. The right laser machine can definitely help you be more productive and improve your crafting experience, just like they did for me. Happy crafting.